Your user calls and says, "I forgot my email." No email means no access, and no access means no work. So let's find it in seconds. First up, let's check Outlook. If they still have an open session, just tell them to step 1, find the email from Outlook if session is open. Open Outlook, click File, go to Account Settings, you will see the main email address. Step 2. Find email from Windows Settings. Go to Start Settings Accounts, Email and Accounts. You will see linked accounts. Step 3. Find email from Windows Profile. Go to Start, Settings, Accounts, Your Info. The corporate email or username appears here. Step 4. Find email from Microsoft Teams if logged in. Open Microsoft Teams. Click your profile picture, go to Manage Account. Step 5. If the user is fully locked out, formal support mode. Collect this information, full name, employee ID, department, then escalate to Microsoft 365, Active Directory Admin. Let's recap from Season 1, Episode 2. But you can always go back to that video for more details and step-by-step instructions. STEP 1. Open Active Directory. Press Start, Active Directory users, and computers. STEP 2. Check account status. User properties. Account is locked out. Easy, right? Step 3. Formal support mode required identity verification. Full name, employee ID, and department. Last step. Unlock account. 1. Open user properties. 2. Account tab. 3. Uncheck account is locked out. 4. Apply. For a reset password, just do right-click User, Reset Password, select Temporary Password. Select Force Change at Next Login. If requested, the ticket documentation must include the following information: user, employee ID, department, time, actions, identity verified. Locked accounts require precision, documentation, and security awareness, which you must never do. Share email without identity verification. Say, "I think it's this one." Access other users' accounts without permission. Giving the email to the wrong person and causing a security incident. An email account is a digital key. If you give it wrong, you open the wrong door. And just like that, you've saved the day. For more quick IT tips, make sure to watch the next episode. 9 Computer will not power on. Thanks for watching. See you soon.